I say la 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 la.
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, and you walk on by.
La 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 la.
Don't
La
call
la
my
la
name.
la 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 la.
Will you call my name?
Oh, that was really good.
Yeah.
Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And now please welcome, my name is Natasha. Now please welcome Nana Boozhoo. Take it away, sweetie.
Hey, Boozhoo. Welcome back to the show. All right. We could start anyway now. Any way we like, sweetie. All right. We could start with the song, or maybe we could just, talk real for a change.
Yeah. What should we talk about?
You know what? It snowed last night. Izugipon, Ibakak. It snowed last night. It snowed last night, you guys. The snow's on the ground. You know what that means?
What does that mean?
It means we can tell our stories. We can tell the sacred stories of the Anishinaabe. All right. So let's do something like that today.
Okay.
Do you want to announce it? And I'll tell the Nainu Kasi story.
Yeah, that sounds pretty good.
All right. So why don't you sing something, and then I'll send it back to me.
Do 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 do. Walking in a winter wonderland. La 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 la. Nobody knows the words to the song. Do 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 do. You can part of a na. Later on, there's a bluebird. Yeah, I don't know it. Okay, let's try this. Ooh, I feel my temperature rising. Yeah, 'cause I feel up a field of fire. Like a sweet voice in the choir. And your life is more than high. Burning love. Just a hunk of burning love. Just a hunk of burning love. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. And you know what? I looked outside today, and Gayabe Zugipun.
Oh yeah.
Gayabe Zugipun. It is still snowing. Can you believe that, honey?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. So, I was thinking that could be a good word of the day today. Gayabe. It is still snowing. I feel like I'm just gonna make the call.
What's that?
I'm gonna say it's Biboon. Biboon, winter. I don't know if the calendar says it's winter yet, but it sure looks like winter, huh? Alright, so that's your word for today. Wait, is it? Okay, we got 2 words for today. Gayabe, it is still. And Zugipun, it is still snowing. And Biboon, winter. Hey, oh, crying out loud. Should we do this again?
Nah, let's just leave it.
Okay, who cares? Gayabe Zugipun, Biboon. Gayabe Zugipun, it's still snowing. So I'm gonna say it's winter. Biboon. Alright.